Asian modern na 3-bedroom home inside Greenwoods Executive Village in Pasig City for as low as 500,000 na down payment. Tara, samahan niyo po kami. This house is located in Greenwoods Executive Village in Pasig/Taytay area, and it stands on a 125 square meter lot area with a floor area of 210. Halos kapatid po ito nung finiture natin last week o 2 weeks ago na bahay. Actually, magkadikit lang sila. Pero this one has a different color palette. Medyo Asian modern po. White, brown, yun po ang ating color palette. Yung nakaraan or nung last week, it's about white and black. So, kung magkapatid po kayo, magkapamilya na naghahanap na magkadikit na bahay, message nyo po kami. Isa lang po to. Isang pares lang siya. So, this house, ang kapareho po, kagandahan, kapareho po last time, 2 to 3 car garage po tayo. And it's covered. Yan, napakahaba po nito. Going to the service area. So, if you need naman a ground floor bedroom, same as last week. Pwede kayo maglagay dun sa dulo ng ground floor bedroom. Pero kung di naman, edi you can maximize the 2 to 3 car garage. Pwede pa kayo magkaroon ng e-bike dito. Kung mag-e-bike kayo, pwede pa dito, di ba? So, welcome to our house. Pagpasok natin, same layout as last week, but the big difference is the color palette, more on light brown, white po ang ating design. And then napakaganda po ng ating, parang atom yung design niya, color white. Sobrang ganda ng decorative lighting natin. So this is our living area. Most likely your TV would be here. So malaki rin siya. Siguro kahit marami kayong bisita, U-type couch dito, nakaharap doon sa TV. Kita mo kung may delivery ka ng Shopee, di ba? Napakalaki ng windows natin eh. Binuksan lang namin para malamig kasi alas 12 po ng tanghali. So, dahil napakalaki nito, ang ganda niya kasi very good source of natural light and natural air. And for Greenwoods naman, it's very safe. Marami pong, 24/7 naman yung mga guards na umiikot dito, and iba-iba yung mga guards per face niya. So, syempre, kanya-kanya sila ng trabaho sa pag-ikot. Coming from our living area, this is our dining area. Yan. So, kasya pa rin, which is 10 to 12 seater na dining table. Meron din tayong sliding glass door papunta sa ating parking or car garage. Ngayon, pag may mga grocery kayo, pwedeng dito na kayo dadaan. Or pag wet naman, from wet market, dun po tayo sa ating service area. Yan, sarado ko lang to para mamaya na to. From our dining area, ito po ang ating very spacious kitchen. So, kung napanood nyo last week, halos photocopy lang po talaga yung property. Which is very good. Kasi kung magkapatid kayo, walang lamangan, di ba? Pili na lang kayo, kanan, kaliwa, kanan, kaliwa. Or, kung ano yung mas type na color palette. For this one, ang kitchen natin is gray and black. So, di ba? Ganda. May mga LED lights pa tayo. And then we also have the range hood here. Wala pa tayong cooktop. So, for the cooktop, kayo na po yung mamimili nun. If you want it built in, pwede naman butasin to. And then, maluwag din po siya, just like last time. Ayan, pwedeng nandiyan yung oven mo, or nandito yung coffee nook mo. And then, you have a double sink here. Parang yung kabila, single sink lang, no? Double sink din ba? Single sink. This one's double sink. Yan. O, di ba? And then, ito yung oven mo. Diba? Aside from that, marami tayong cabinetries. Sa taas, overhead, tsaka under. And light gray po yung color palette natin. Ganda. Very modern. Yung kitchen mo modern. Yung labas mo naman medyo Asian. Diba? Dito po, meron din tayong nandyan din ang ating outlet breaker. Pero ito ang natin. Pantry cabinet. Then, nandito ulit ang ating side-by-side na ref. So, coming from our main kitchen, punta naman tayo sa ating service kitchen. Yan. So, ito ang ating service kitchen / laundry area. Ayan, meron po tayong outlet dito, water supply. And then may gripo pa kayo dito. May gripo din dun sa may bandang harap. So if you need to car wash your 3 cars, pwede po dito. And then, meron pa rin tayo syempre staff room. So even if it's just a 3-bedroom house, meron kang separate staff room which can house a double deck. Kasya po ang dalawang staff or yaya or angels dito, double deck. Tapos may sarili silang toilet and bath na spacious. Although medyo wala silang closet type, nagagawa naman ng paraan yun. Yung mga dito, yung pwede na lang yung binibuild. Yung ina-assemble pala, binibuild tuloy. Na-assemble na closet. Pero at least they have their own private space. Let's go back to the inside. Yan. So coming from our living area, ang ganda ng ating staircase. Sobrang earthy yung color niya. So Asian modern talaga. White and brown. This is wood. Semento po ang ilalim, pero meron tayong wood planks for our stairs. Then we have the glass here, and then of course another wooden handle here, handlebar. So before going up, baka makalimutan ko, meron tayong powder room. Yan. Galing na, may separation pa yung powder room. Meron pang glass enclosure. Wala naman nagsishower dito. Wala naman. Powder room lang siya guys for your guest. Tara, samahan niyo ako sa second floor. This is our staircase. Kung mapapansin nyo, we have big windows also para at least merong natural lighting papasok. Napakalinis po ng pagkakagawa. White, brown, light brown. Sobrang warm nung niya, pakiramdam. Very cozy. So pagkaakyat natin, pwede pa ulit kayong magkaroon ng office area dito or library. Kung yun yung hilig ng inyong mga kids, pwede kayong maglagay ng couch, and then meron dito library. Napakaganda rin itong area na to. May natural light ka pa. So, di ba? Pangit kasi kapag madilim eh. Pero pag ganito kaliwanag, very inviting siya. Yan, welcome to our first room. Oh, nice. Size of the first bedroom is more or less 12 to 15 square meters. You have your windows here. You have a provision for window type AC. And then, syempre, meron pa rin tayo ng napakagandang built-in cabinets. Built-in closet. Ganda. Kapareho din nung sa kabila. So, yung mga naghahanap dyan na magkatabi, magkapamilya, mag-best friend, eto, nasa Greenwoods na kayo, very affordable house, magkatabing bahay pa. Ensuite toilet and bath. Yan, so meron ka lang grayish na tiles dito. Then light gray ang ating flooring. You have the sink and faucet, the lavatory, And then of course, your shower area. Malaking add na po ito. Meron tayong glass enclosure. You don't have to buy this one. Diba? Laking bagay na rin nun. Kasi syempre, pag mag-move in ka sa bagong bahay, ang daming gastos. So as much as meron kang matitipid, titipirin mo. Welcome to our second bedroom. Yan. So pagpasok natin, pwede ka pang maglagay ng vanity area dito kung gusto nyo lang naman. Or if you want to add closet space, pwede rin. Pero you still have the built-in floor-to-ceiling na closet space. Marami na rin ito. Most likely, this is gonna be your kids' room. Depende na lang kung alin nyo, kung ilan ang anak nyo. Kung dalawa yung anak nyo, pwedeng dalawa dito. Dalawang single bed or dalawang double bed. Sorry, pwede. Then you have your windows here and then another window here. This house also has a water tank and a water ano ba yan? Water pump, nakalimutan ko na. May water pump and meron na ring water tank. Pero dito sa Greenwoods, hindi naman nawawalan ng tubig. Although kapag weekend or Sundays, medyo nagkakasabay-sabay. That's why you have the water pump. Meron din siyang built-in ensuite toilet and bath na identical sa ating first bedroom. So, parehong-pareho. Walang pinagkaiba. If you want to save, make it as is. If you want to improve naman, there's a lot of room for improvement. Pwede nyo namang i-upgrade lahat yan. Yan. Welcome to our master's bedroom. Woo! Ang ganda! Medyo mas type ko po yung master bedroom nito. Ang ganda kasi nung color palette. Brown, wooden tiles, tas pure white lang. Even the, ayan o, yung sa mga sliding door, yung mga aluminum, powder-coated aluminum, kulay puti po. So, ang ganda, di ba? Ang lakas aliwalas ng bahay. And then, of course, you have the built-in closet here. Sorry, nawala ako. Bed muna. Bed would be here. Yan. Kahit king-size bed, of course, kasya na. You have your split-type AC for your master bedroom. And then, your built-in closet is here. Yan. Maluwag na siya, pero meron pa sa loob ng toilet and bath. Meron ka ring area for your vanity, for your wife, for your husband. Bagay yung mga ibang lalaki, banidoso na rin, ano? Yan. And then, of course, welcome to your master's toilet and bath. Oh, with this one naman, oh, medyo darker yung color ng wood natin. Ganda. You still have the big mirror here. And then, meron ka rin ng malaking sink and faucet. And then you have your closet there and ganda ng kulay. You have your lavatory area. Tapos meron po kayong shower enclosure. Hindi lang half na isasarado siya. Yan. For the color palette, it's very consistent throughout the house. Black, white, a little bit of black lang. Pero karamihan is brown, earth colors. This one's upgraded. Unlike yung sa first two bedrooms natin, meron na siyang rain shower. Ganda. Same as the last house, kailangan lang ng niche. Or if you want to buy sa Shopee, pwede rin naman. Meron din tayong natural exhaust through the windows. Nonetheless, napakaganda ng ating toilet and bath. Ito yung kanina, yung closet, additional closet space natin. Ayan. O, diba? Madami na yung closet. Although pag nabitin pa kayo, napakalaki po ng master bedroom. The other side naman ng ating bed, of course, size of the master bedroom is almost the same. Siguro mga 25 to 30 square meters. Dito po ang ating napakalaking TV. If you want the biggest TV, pwede kasi you have the proper distance to your bed. May nakita nga ako yung 100 inches ba yun? Recently ko lang nakita. 998,000. Sobrang mahal. Hindi ko alam kung 100 inches pero laki talaga niya. So, kung gusto nyo po yun, kung mahilig kayo mag-movie or manood, pwede. If not naman, kayo nang bahala mag-interior design na to. And then you have the big windows here. Ganda. Tapos, meron pa rin tayong balcony. Wow, nice. For the balcony, nandito po ang ating outdoor unit ng ating split type AC. Madaling linisin, madaling paservisan. Dito lang nila pupuntahan, hindi na kailangang sumampa kahit saan. Then tahimik. Kasi katabi nga lang to nung nakaraan. So dahil tahimik doon, tahimik din dito. Unless kayo mag-iingay. Yan. So ito naman yung kabilang side. But the biggest plus for this house and the other house is yung affordability niya po. Mura na po siya sa 16 million. Mamaya, i-discuss natin yung presyo. Quick recap lang tayo guys for this amazing Asian modern house in Greenwoods Executive Village in Pasig/Taytay area. This house stands on a 125 square meter lot area with a floor area of 210. It has 2 to 3 car garage and it has 3 bedrooms, 3.5 toilet and bath. If you want to add another bedroom sa inyong ground floor, pwede po, may paglalagyan kayo. So, the asking price for this property is just 16 million pesos. And if you're looking for a house right beside each other, eto po yun. Saka yung nakaraan naming house tour. So if you want to know more or if you want to see the property, please message us on the numbers below. Nakalimutan ko, as low as 500,000 lang po ang ating down payment. But if you can give a little bit more, then it's okay. It really depends on your income or household income. So please follow us on our social media pages, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. We have 2 accounts, RV Realty PH and Realtor RV. I am Realtor RV para po sa ating daily vlogs sa ating mga clients. Marami pong salamat and see you on the next one. God bless guys. Happy New Year.